day 66 camping, and today I wanted to show you how I brush. No, okay, I'm gonna show you my alarm because I've got multiple Taylor timers, and they are stove timers, and what these ones are good for is that you can they're like here, I'll say one. Probably can't hear, but these are great because okay. Actually, these are pretty great. You have to, like, I have several different kinds of Taylor timers. So at one point I had like 7 of them. That's really my goal, 7 of anything. Because, okay, some of these, it's set for now 1 hour. Some of these, you know, you've heard the alarm go off. Have 4 alarms, and I think that is so great because you can set it every 7 minutes, so each one gets set for another 7 minutes in order to go off. And I have trouble getting up, so I'll put one outside where I have to walk to it, so I'll actually hear it, but I have to walk to turn it off. And that works for me because you can even like put it under the car wheel in the car, and be able to get up in a more timely manner. So I really like Taylor timers for alarms, and that enables me to get up on time. Taylor timer, and that is one of the things that I've used Taylor timers now for like about 10 years. It's one of my favorite things, and I definitely see the need for like 4 Taylor timers around to get up on time, and because I can't get out of bed, and put one there to walk to, another one there. Now if I have one like up, and then okay, that's what you can do, like have one here and space it to walk a little bit farther up the hill, a little bit farther, and then by that point, that's when you'll both hear it, and you'll have to walk to turn it off. Or you could set one close by to, because if I'm walking, then I'm up. Or you can set one close by, and you'll see, as a reminder that one is going off in a minute up the hill, and have it up there. I like that one best. And or put it in somebody's mailbox, like it's the bomb going off, and you won't want them to know about it if it goes off. So you'll have to go and get the timer in time. I like that idea a lot. Bye. Taylor timers today. Taylor timers, great tools.